Change kit.
This one is from my boss, Angie. Nice.
Oh, it's finally opened. Oh, yeah.
Nice. It's like a bake shop for the bake.
Yes.
I have a bag here. Oh, really nice, eh? Angie always give me a nice gift. Oh, wow. 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 Oh, is this
Oh,
fancy?
that's upper class.
Marks and Jacob. $99. Good for you. Oh, wow, love. The price in it. Oh, it's like that's nice. Not finished yet, love. Oh, what's this? Candle holder? Yeah, nice. It's like grip. Yeah. And then this is from Tiffany. Yeah, chocolates. Yeah. Yeah. Nice. And then I got the card with Auntie. Have a Bonza Christmas, mate. Yeah, to Marilyn. To Marilyn. It's karaoke Santa Aussie style. Look. Thanks so much for another year with us working hard. We love you. Love Angie and Khan. XX. That's nice. Thanks Angie. Thanks to my boss. Angie, that's really nice. It's not so scratchy.
No.
Nice one. I love it. I love it. And that's it. What else?
Spoiled.
Yeah. Other one there is this is the wine. I can pour it. This is a Moscato. Moscato.
Here you go there.
No, I just opened it.
That's your Moscato, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah.
$33 in the pub for that bottle.
I know, so expensive. Yeah, and then another Moscato. Yeah. I don't know, is this is mine or is yours? No name.
Open and find out.
It's together with the bag. If yours, I can wrap it again. I got it from Ate Flo. Oh, probably yours, love. It's from Ate Flo. From this tip, from Ate Flo. Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, I think it's yours, love. She got it
Get
for
an
you.
exchange gift.
I know, yeah. This is for Steve.
Maybe that's for you, for your lady card.
No, I think that's for you, love. Yeah, that's nice. It's a lot, hey. That's nice. That's it. Yeah. Or is yours? Is it? Yeah. I don't know.
That's just empty boxes.
Oh, okay. You wrap it? I got this one from Joselito.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. Yeah, and this one.
We'll take that.
Nice.
For the beach.
Yeah. Walk on. That's it.